All right, hi students. So we're going to do a real quick video just to show you how to do this human evolution phylogeny assignment. So you, from the assignment, you need to click on this web page, and this is the web page it'll open up, NGPhylogeny.fr, and then you should have downloaded the file humanevolutionmt.txt. Okay, then we're going to click on this thing called one click, and then we're going to go down to the PhyML plus SMS, make sure that's the workflow that we've selected, and then you need to find that file or open it up and copy and paste the text. So I'm going to find this file. I had it in my downloads. There it is. Open, and then submit. So this is going to allow the website now to try to open up that text file. And then we're going to wait for it to go through the alignment phases and then the phylogeny reconstruction phases. When this appears, you know that it read in the file correctly because we have the green check here. And you can always, if you want to, open this up in a different tab and take a look and see what it is that it read in. And you can see it read in each of the species with the DNA, associated DNA, and down below is like a cartoon representation, and up above you can see the actual DNA letters. And now we'll wait for the alignment to finish. Okay, so now we can see that the alignment finished and also the alignment cleaning up just finished. So let's just real quickly take a look at those two things. In the alignment, it will show now that it has aligned by sites, so you can see whenever it needed to add gaps in some of the species, because, for example, here the orangutan had an extra A that everyone else didn't have. And so you can look down, you know, the entire alignment here, but for the most part, they're pretty much the same lengths, not a lot of gaps that they need to introduce. There's another gap over here, which means that in the alignment cleaning up, it probably didn't have to do much. In fact, it might be exactly the same. Sometimes when an alignment is more gappy, it will exclude the areas that were gappy. But here you can see it did get rid of that one site. Remember, there was that one site that where the orangutan had it different than everyone else. It got rid of that one site, you know. So it did a little bit of cleaning up. And now we just need to wait for the phylogenetic tree, the best optimal phylogenetic tree to be found. And it has now finished, and so we can look at the viewer here, open this up in a new tab as well, and it now shows the tree here. We can do a couple things on this tree. One thing is we can show the support values by clicking display support values. We also need to route this tree to the gibbon, and the gibbon is Hylobates. So you just click on the Hylobates and go reroute on this node, and now it's rerouted on the node. Some of these branches are a little hard to see because they're all kind of scrunched up, because here the branch length does matter. So go ahead and click on dendrogram, and that stretches it out a little bit more so that you can easily see it. And now you should be able to answer the questions that I ask you on the assignment. So that's how you get to a tree using NGPhylogeny website.